Hey guys, what's going on? It's Q, aka That Dapp Guy, and I'm here today to talk about Dapp.com and the DAPPT Pre-Listing Airdrop worth over $100,000. So Dapp.com is one of the largest Dapp explorers in the entire world. If I'm looking to discover, analyze, or learn about new Dapps entering the space, this is the website I'm using. Now the team is holding a private and pre-sale with plans for public IEO in the near future, but for a limited time, you can sign up to get the DAPPT token for free, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, guys, so the first thing you're going to do is visit Dapp.com, where you should be prompted to go to an airdrop page. Now, on this airdrop page, you're going to be prompted to provide your ETH address. Please make sure it's not an exchange address. This should be your personal wallet address, and make sure you select your country. Now, after you do this, you should receive a unique code, and you're going to head on over to the Dapp.com Telegram group, where you're going to enter that code with the quotation marks. It should disappear. That means the Dapp.com team has that actual code, and you will be credited with the DAPPT tokens 3 days after the airdrop ends. Now, after you provide this code, you're going to refresh the actual airdrop page to see the other tasks. Now, some of the tasks include following Dapp.com's Twitter, as well as retweeting the message from the dashboard and tagging 3 friends, as well as following Dapp.com's Facebook, sharing the message from the dashboard and tagging 3 friends there. You can also post a referral link anywhere on social media, and you should receive Dapp tokens for each referral signup that you do send Dapp.com's way. All right, it's that easy. If you guys have any further questions, please comment in the comment section below or reach out to the team via the Telegram link that I've linked in the description. Until next time, cheers.